Good morning. It is wallpaper day, so what I'm about to do is I'm gonna paint the ceiling up there so that it's done before we put the wallpaper in, and then we just have to put one little trim piece right here on this wall, and then we're gonna put the wallpaper in. So stay tuned. I have been waiting to put this wallpaper in for so long. You're gonna love it.
Long time.
Yes, ma'am. A lot of water under the bridge.
Some of the old songs.
Yes, ma'am.
No matter how our lives will be, I'll tell you, I won't tell you to leave. Yeah, I'll keep on standing here. I'm hopeful, so hopeful, dear. Yeah, it's true, I'm falling. Yeah, it's true, I'm falling for you. Yeah, it's true, I gotta believe in this dream. I don't know how I became him. We found ourselves not by ourselves. It's been 10 years and still not there. We'll end the chase, we've won the race. We'll have our kids that we will raise, and y'all will be here.
We're pulling a late one tonight, doing the wallpaper on the wall behind me, and this is by far what I have been most excited for in this whole process. I have wanted to do this wallpaper wall for so long, and the minute I found this wallpaper, I was in love with it. It is perfect. It's pink and beige and neutral, and I think it's gonna be a really good contrast to the green, which is right there. So a lot of what I'm going for in this whole space is contrast. In the bathroom, yesterday we did the black wallpaper, and that contrasts so well with the white and gold in there. So this whole space is about a lot of contrast, but it's also gonna be my office and my hangout place. So it's all of the things that are my favorite. That green color, I love it. It's one of my favorites. And this pink color is definitely my favorite color of all time. So it's a lot of green and pink makes me happy. So that's what I'm gonna do in here. And I'm doing it hopefully in a way that looks good design wise, but even if it doesn't, it makes me happy to look at it. So that's what I'm hoping for the space, is that when I walk in here every day, it's things that make me happy. So it might not be for everybody, but I love it, and that's what matters. And that's what you should think about when you're designing any kind of space that's just for you. Pick out what makes you happy. We're about to wallpaper this wall behind me. It is 9 o'clock at night right now. I'll let you know what time it is when we finish. Maybe I'll talk to you tomorrow because it's gonna be a late one. He literally loses something every 2.3 seconds.
Try to make things right. I hold you and wipe your tears. Though life has passed and I'm barely here, I'm hopeful, still hopeful, dear. Yeah, it's true, I'm falling. Yeah, it's true, I'm falling for you. Yeah, it's true, I gotta believe in this dream. I don't know. Not by ourselves. It's been 10 years and still not there. We'll end the chase, we've won the race. We'll have our kids that we will raise, and y'all will be here with me. With a man.
Okay guys, we finished last night as much of the wall as we're gonna do, so I'll pick up the camera and show you in a second, but this is what it looks like. It's a really peachy pink color and then mixed with beige, so if you're on the other side of the room, it really just looks very beige, which I like. But then if you're up close to it, next to it, it looks really pink and cute, so I'm in love with it. I'm gonna take you around the shed, show you the wallpapers and a couple other things that we've done, and that's gonna be it for this video. This is a huge video. We finally got the wallpaper done. So like, comment, subscribe so you don't miss anything else. We have exciting things coming. This was super exciting for me, and all of the things in the future are really exciting. We have flooring coming up, and then we get to hang everything on the walls. So big things coming. My built-in should be here in less than 2 weeks. And it will be my favorite part of the whole thing probably. So I'm gonna take you around and show you a quick view of everything. Okay, so we had to put the table in front of it because we were working on the other side of the room, but this is what it looks like. We just stopped a little bit early because the built-in is gonna go right here, and they'll have to install that. So we don't want any wallpaper to get scratched or anything while they're installing it. So we will finish the last 2 or 3 pieces once they install that, but I love it. It's so cute. I'll give you a close-up if I can. That's the pattern. It's really pinky, but then the more that you back up, it looks really nice and beige. And then I think it looks really good with that green. So that's what it looks like so far in here. Check out the bathroom. So I painted this doorway today. So it used to be white, but we fixed it and now it is green. I think that makes a huge difference. And then this is the wallpaper. We need to wipe the wall off, but looks so good. There's a piece of the flooring right there. And then we installed the light today. So that looks so cool. Let me cut off the other lights. So that's what it looks like when it's the only light turned on. I think it looks awesome with the gold faucet and the white sink. And then there's gonna be a gold round mirror right there. So definitely very like restaurant bathroom vibes in here, and I love it. And then my other wallpaper is coming soon so we can finish the wall right there. But I think it's really coming together in here how I wanted it. It's industrial, but it's chic, and it's just super, super cute. And this is my new favorite thing. I love it. Let me try and turn it off and let you see what it looks like off. So this is the light I got off of Amazon. Turned out super great. Really, really like it. So there it is on again. It's such a vibe in here. So big things are happening. So I'm gonna close out the video now. I hope you enjoyed watching us wallpaper. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.